Avocado is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, vitamins, and minerals. These fats promote heart health and lower bad cholesterol. It's rich in vitamin K for blood clotting and bone health, vitamin E for immune support, and vitamin C for healthy skin. Incorporating avocados into our diet supports cardiovascular health, boosts the immune system, and enhances skin quality. Avocado is truly a remarkable fruit with incredible benefits for our well-being. Avocados are rich in potassium, supporting blood pressure regulation, hydration, and nerve or muscle function. They also provide dietary fiber, aiding digestion, promoting satiety, and preventing overeating. Despite their calorie content, avocados contribute to weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness. Embrace avocados for their potassium, fiber, and weight management benefits. Avocados not only benefit our internal health but also enhance our skin and hair. Moreover, avocados' versatility in the kitchen allows for endless culinary creations, from salads to desserts. Embrace avocados for their extraordinary health benefits, including heart health, weight management, and essential nutrients. Incorporate avocados into your daily diet for a healthier, happier life.